Good day everyone! Today, we will be discussing the importance of distress, urgent, and safety calls in maritime communication. These calls are essential tools for ensuring the safety of the vessel and the crews, each serving at different levels of urgency. Understanding how to properly use these calls is crucial for effective communication and quick response in emergency situations at sea. And first, we have the distress call. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Blue Horizon. MB Blue Horizon. MB Blue Horizon. Call sign: Papa Hotel Bravo Romeo 7. MSI number 528749316. Position: latitude 150 degrees 25 decimal 05 minutes north. Longitude of 120 degrees 30 decimal 35 minutes east. We have an uncontrollable fire in the engine room. I require immediate assistance. I have 20 crew on board. We are preparing the lifeboats. Over. Pan. This is MB Blue Horizon, MB Blue Horizon, MB Blue Horizon. Call sign: Papa Hotel Bravo Romeo 7. MSI number 528749316. Position: latitude of 15 degrees 25 decimal 05 minutes north. Longitude of 122 degrees 36 decimal 35 minutes east. We have an engine failure. We are adrifted and unable to maneuver. Requesting assistance to prevent grounding. Over. Security. All stations. This is MB Blue Horizon. Call sign: Papa Hotel Bravo Romeo 7. A large floating object, suspected container, reported in position, latitude of 15 degrees 25 minutes north and longitude of 101 degrees 15 minutes east, drifting westward. Hazard to navigation. All vessels are advised to proceed with caution. I repeat, hazard to navigation. All vessels are advised to proceed with caution. This is MB Blue Horizon, standing by on Channel 16. Out.